How to add cover art to Spotify local files. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option that says Local Files. Tap on it. On the option Show Audio Files from this device, swipe the toggle to enable it. This step ensures that your local files will be visible in your Spotify library. Now, it's time to make sure you have the latest version of the Spotify app. Go to your device's App Store and search for Spotify. If there's an update available, download and install it. Unfortunately, as of now, Spotify doesn't allow you to add cover art to local files directly within the app. We'll have to wait for Spotify to release an update with this feature. Keep an eye out for any announcements or updates from Spotify. While we wait for this feature to become available, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. Your support means a lot to us. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be all set once Spotify introduces the ability to add cover art to local files in a future update.